This is Arthur. And this is Ginger. We made a video about bringing Arthur home a couple weeks ago, and at first, Ginger didn't know what to think of him. Within 2 days, they already started becoming friends. Here's how the next 2 weeks went. Arthur has spent a lot of time playing. Here he is playing on top of Dad while he's sleeping. And here he is again, playing on top of sleeping Daddy-O. Arthur snuggles right in between Dad's legs. He loves to play fetch. He even tries to play fetch in the middle of the night. He'll bring me his toy and drop it right next to me, and he expects me to throw it for him. Good boy, Arthur. Yeah, that was Ginger's toy first. Wait, what is Arthur on right now? Just kidding. That's our camo beanbag chair, Avi. He has a lot of fun playing on it. And just like it's his job as a kitten, he spends a lot of time laying around and looking adorable. And lots of time cuddling and sleeping. Even when Jeremy's trying to get his distance learning done. Ginger is usually close by, not letting Arthur out of her sight for too long. We even found out that Arthur likes cooked carrots. Arthur's so feisty and lovable. But just like with a baby, there's going to be an accident or two of some kind. Arthur had just peed on our bed. We told him no, we put him in the litter box, and 2 hours later, after everything was cleaned and washed, he was having fun playing while I tried to put the sheets back on. And I thought it was so cute. And then, just as I was finished, he immediately peed on the sheets again. The freshly washed sheets. And Ginger, she's been okay with him for the most part. She's been acting like a playful kitten. And it's been a long time since she squeezed herself into here. Here it kind of looks like she's choking herself. But she warmed up quick to Arthur. Here she is whacking him in the face with her tail. And making direct eye contact with me while she does it. They've been playing a ton and having tons of fun. He runs circles around her sometimes. And he tries to steal her toys. But they also like to snuggle a lot. And Ginger keeps him in check while also loving on him. And they are practically inseparable already. This is actually the first moment their cuddle magic started. Then there were more cuddles. And more cuddles. So cute. This is Arthur's first time seeing the vacuum. Ginger gives him a smooch, and then she gets the heck out of there. Ginger also showed Arthur the awesomeness of a box. Arthur was scared to go near it until Ginger jumped in first to show him it was safe. After it seemed like it might be okay, then he jumped in to join her. They had lots of fun playing with the box. They play just as long as Ginger allows before she gets too burnt out. And then they go back to snuggling, even right on top of me. I think Ginger's happy to have a new friend. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time.